Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or we'll be discussing with you, how to get Revolut credit card. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to get a Revolut credit card here, well, there are a few things that you may need to know. Now, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to apply for an account with Revolut. Now, applying for a card or an account for Revolut is quite easy. You just need to open up Google Play Store here, go and just open up the app or download the app, install this into your device. Now, in here, you want to go and click on Create Account. Now, they will require you to enter a bunch of details about yourself. Like, for example, your phone number first. So, you want to go and just provide your phone number. And on the following pages, they will ask you about your name and also some documentation. Like, for example, your TIN or your social security number. So, in this case, they are going to record some details about you. So, just keep that in mind. They may also require you to provide some form of ID, either a driver's license or a passport. Once you've created your account, this is what it actually looks like. Now, again, you need to create your account first before you can access this page here. Now, once you are in your homepage, at the top right, you should see the card section. So if you select or click on it, this will give you the option to start managing your cards. Now, in here, as you can see right now, you have some disposable cards, even virtual cards. But if you click on Add New at the very bottom, it should give you the option to apply for a credit card. But in some cases, you may not be able to see it. So how do you exactly access it? Just in case you cannot see it inside the app. Because again, if you're going to apply or if you want to get a credit card, you need to have another application. So there's a whole another application for the card itself. So how do you access the application page just in case it's not accessible inside the app? Now, you could also go to their website, which is just revolut.com, or you could just search that in Google. But inside their website, you want to go to the personal section, drop down. You want to go and look for the option that says credit and loans. Go and choose credit cards. Now, in here, as you can see here now, there's going to be a lot of information here, but you want to go and either click on apply today or click on the start your application. Now, obviously, they will ask you to scan the QR code that you are going to see on your screen, or you can go and you can go ahead and just get a link via your number if you don't want to scan it. But yeah, so you just need to click on the link that you'll be receiving, or if you scan the QR code, this will redirect you to the application page, which again may open up the app and ask you to provide certain details about yourself so that they could verify if you're actually eligible for a credit card. But once your credit card or once you've sent your application, typically it would take them around a few days to review it. And if you are eligible, they would automatically add that card into your account and you should be able to start using it. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.